Have you ever stopped to think what might happen when Coca Cola meets lemon? The result is so unexpected that when I first tested it, I was absolutely amazed. From that day forward, I gave up buying certain store-bought cleaners because this homemade mix proved even more effective. What makes it special is that it is unbelievably easy to prepare, yet the results seem almost magical, truly one of my favorite home tips. Start by pouring about 300 milliliters of Coca Cola into a clear glass. Cut a fresh lemon in half and squeeze its juice right into the cola, making sure you capture every drop. Gently stir the mixture, and you will instantly notice a fizzy reaction. That is the magic starting to happen, so do not worry. This bubbling is exactly what we want before moving to the next step. Now it is time for an important addition, baking soda. Add a full tablespoon and watch the mixture come alive with foam. This is completely normal and part of the chemical process that gives this cleaner its power. Immediately afterward, add another tablespoon, this time with salt. Any kind of salt will do, though sea salt gives a slightly better finish if you have it on hand. Next comes a step that might surprise you. Take about 300 milliliters of dishwashing liquid and pour it into the mix. You can even use the empty Coca Cola bottle to measure the right amount. Stir slowly and notice how the texture becomes thicker and smoother. That is what helps the mixture cling to surfaces and lift off dirt easily. If you are planning to give this trick a try, type yes in the comments. Your homemade cleaning solution is now ready to go. All you need is a container for storage. I prefer reusing an old dish soap bottle because it is practical and easy to handle. Use a small funnel to pour the mixture in carefully. This keeps things tidy and prevents spills. Just like that, you have got a powerful multi-purpose cleaner at your fingertips. Now for the real test. Find a greasy pan that looks beyond saving. Pour the cleaner over it and let it sit for 2 to 5 minutes. Almost immediately you will see the grease start to loosen and melt away. Take a sponge and wipe gently. There is no need for scrubbing hard. In just a few passes, the metal begins to shine again. Rinse everything thoroughly with water and enjoy the sparkle. Do you know a cleaning secret that works this well? Share it below so others can benefit. The best part is that this is not only for pans. You can use it on cutlery, stainless steel, aluminum, and cast iron too. It lifts off grease and grime while bringing back the original shine. I actually learned this tip from my housekeeper, who always kept my kitchen spotless, and now I finally understand her secret method. Forget the expensive commercial products full of harsh chemicals. With a little Coca Cola, lemon, and a few basic ingredients, you can make a cleaner that is safe, affordable, and incredibly effective. Try it for yourself and let me know how it worked. Do not forget to like, share, and follow for more simple home tips that truly make life easier. YouTube video description. Discover how Coca Cola and lemon can create a powerful homemade cleaner that beats many store products. This easy DIY recipe removes grease, stains, and grime from pans and metal surfaces in minutes. Follow the steps, test it at home, and see the results for yourself. An amazing home tip you will want to share.